Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Tezos is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, a couple days ago we had this massive bullish candle, which was great because I got a little concerned. We had this pullback and then we closed below the 200-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, but then the following day, boom. So that makes it very bullish. Now, if you're new to the channel, I am using the fibs from August 12, 2020 to March 13th low of 2020. So I typically would use, the bigger swing all the way down here, but not all the fibs are aligning very well. I mean, this one, the 38 does, the 50 somewhat, and then the 61. If I move the fibs to there, oh man, there you go, about there. So this low, I mean, somewhat a little bit. If I do it that way, then we're holding above the 61% retracement, which is always a good case. But it seems like, see, the 50 wasn't aligned pretty well. The 38, yes. The 23, so. I don't know. I just think that right there on March 13th low, they're getting aligned very well. So people are definitely paying attention to that. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that train me always said, hey, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world how to make shackles. So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, guys, from a risk to reward perspective, I mean, I definitely want to see a close, at least on the daily, above the 61% retracement. Your first objective will be the 78, so $3.72. So we'll put there objective 1. Objective 1. Now objective 2, we'll put a line at the peak right there. That will be objective 2. So right here, objective 2. Now, aside from this, until we get here, I kind of want to wait and see what, see how it plans out. I want to see how we're behaving around 448 before I get all excited. Could this hit the 161% retracement? Definitely, but we're gonna have levels in between, so we want to see how it's behaving here before we get all excited. Let's just measure some risk to reward here and see if it checks out. Oh, by the way, guys, you guys asked for it. We deliver. We created Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. I'll put it down on the description below. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, then that's where you need to be. We created a live version, which is just technical analysis. We created a pro version, which is a technical analysis and the setups as they happen. So go and check it out, Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check out the Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro, and go and check out my personal Instagram and follow me to forexcapital.ca. So I'll put that on the description below. So that being said, let's see. So if we were to enter about there, we'll put stop loss about there. We'll move this here. And so if, as it currently sits, let's just move this over here. Yeah, about there. So if we close later today, at about $3.20 or so, and we put a stop loss right below the previous low, this previous low, with the objective 2, your risk to reward ratio, guys, 6.75, which is great. I mean, I like to have it at least 3.5 to 1. You know, that means that for every penny you're risking, if you win, you're going to get 3.5 back. In this case, you'll get 6.75 back. So risk to reward definitely checks out. Let's look at the weekly chart. Let's see. I mean, the weekly chart looks good too. Like I said, I definitely want to see what happens at objective 2. Let's do this. Let's move this fibs to the very bottom. No, that just puts the 161 at about 7. So, no, I think as it sits, I think we have them the right way. I mean, just for the time being, using March 13's low, I think we have them set up the right way. I was trying to figure out some extensions, see if we can use some fib extensions, but this is, I don't know, as a fib extension, it's not very enticing. I mean, we would have to either hit objective 1 and then have a pullback, and then we can probably drive from there. Because if not, it was just kind of very choppy. Let's look at the monthly chart. Monthly chart looks, I mean, it looks pretty bullish. If we closed the month, which is in 6 days and 17 hours, above 314, you know, there's no doubt that you're gonna hit 372 and then 483. So I mean 448. So Tezos has a lot of potential right now, guys, but I definitely want to wait and see a close-up of the 61% retracement. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.